Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add background color or fill color to a text box in Google Spreadsheet. I will add background color to this text box. Double click on this text box and open drawing tool. Now again click on this text box and select, and here you will find this background or fill color option, and select here any kinds of color. See this background color. Again select here. You can add gradient background color. See this. You can add custom color. This pick a custom color option and add color option. I'll add this background color and simply select save and close. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.